Today I'm gonna be making a YouTube video for Door Slammers 2. We will be making a Camero. And then I will be making a hack for Door Slammers drag racing.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, can I bring some? Cool. Alright, I'll see you there. That was that guy who hosted the poker game in Vegas. He's having some party tomorrow night. Wants me to come. Sweet. You, some Hollywood big shots?
That was amazing. I totally understand why people get I actually had a couple ideas I wanted to run by you. Ma'am, I love that you came with ideas today. I mean, I really do. But I don't want your ideas. What I do need is a hot, skinny latte and someone to do office work. Now, make a copy, please, and then run to the coffee shop across the street.
So, what should the color be? I think the color should be orange. And we should like make a big stripe on the front.
I don't know how to work this thing. I thought you said I had to
Right.
I'd be planning parties. You're not pushing paper all day long.
20 years ago, I started at the bottom, and I rose to the top. And I am a better person because of it. Now, that's what I'm looking for in my employees. In 2 years, I'm going to need a team in place to take over the LA reins when I open up the New York office. Now, I thought that you might be part of that. I don't know. Maybe you're just another spoiled brat.
Okay. So, we should add a screw-overs.
An early Christmas gift?
I'm thinking
Say
this.
it's a puppy.
That's funny. Actually, it's new.
I'm gonna do that. Where's it going?
Yeah. I smile when I see her. I miss her wish. JD's band thinks it could be a hit.
So you stole my song and played it for
Well, I thought it was great. And I just put a beat behind it, kind of like a club.
for you because you were backstage with a bleeding nose. Have you not been listening to me?
I think I should name it Big Orange Camero.
Sorry. I get it.
Obviously you don't, or you wouldn't have done it. I can't believe that you're putting your career ahead of me.
That's not true.
I mean, this is exactly why I didn't want to get into a relationship. Whether it's drugs or ambition, there's always going to be something more important than me. What the heck?
So, that's probably gonna be added to this YouTube video. I'll do one night rushing somebody in street line. A few of these. And then I'll stop the video for you guys.
What the hell are you doing?
So,
Today was an absolute disaster.
what should I put the tune at? stats in that race. Alright, I'll show you one of my good cars in a second. Which one? Mustang. A Chrome.
Are you serious?
I'll do a grudge race.
I actually can't play that.
Wait, no.
But I got this new drink that I'm working on.
Now, let's wait for competitive, guys. Please, for this video, I would like to get 100 to 500 likes. If you do that, I'll make a hacking video for y'all. So, let's go. Real fast. I have no airbags on right now. Because, and I need to add more music.
I mean, what do guys
Is this about the guy you're dating? What do you do?
should know anything from here? Okay?
No, wait. It's over. Whatever happened, it's not your fault. At least not with me. Something happening tonight with my uncle. And once it's over, I can tell you everything. And I know I haven't given you any reason to, but please, just trust me. I miss you, Silver. I want to be with you.
Okay.
That girl you kissed.
There's nothing between us.
What about Warren? He's probably gonna back because my car's really fast. I had to move but I did win. So that is it for this video. Get 500 or 1 to 100 likes on this video, or 100 likes, and I will start showing you these cheats. So goodbye, guys.